Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert current date and time in LibreOffice Calc. So if you want to do it, first you need to click double time on the cell where you want to insert it. And now I need to type from my keyboard equal sign, and I type here today. Now I need to open and close bracket, and I press enter. So here is the current date displayed on the cell, but if you would like to display the time, you need to click double time on the other cell. And now we need to type equal sign, and we need to type here now function. Open and close the bracket, and we press enter. These charts may be displayed here, so we need to resize our column. So we will increase width of this column maybe to this one. And how you see date with time has been successfully displayed here. If you would like to get only time on this column, you need to click on this cell, then you need to go to data, and you need to select here text to columns. Now we need to select here separated by, and we need to check space. We click OK, and how you see we have here time on the separated column. So in this way you can get current time and current data in LibreOffice Calc.